Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share how to use the Caffeinate command on Macos. I'll cover the basic parameters as well as a few popular use cases that you'll likely need. First, let's fire up the terminal using Spotlight. Once the terminal window is open, the first and most basic command you can run is simply Caffeinate. When you type just this single command, it prevents your Mac from sleeping entirely. However, the screen might still dim. To stop the command, simply hit Ctrl-C. If you want the screen to stay awake, say for a presentation or a lecture without interruption, then you should use the Caffeinate command with the flag -D. When you use -D, the screen will stay on. The letter D here stands for display, and naturally, the system won't go into sleep mode. I'll hit Ctrl-C to exit this command. The third method is also pretty popular. This one configures your Mac to prevent sleep after a specific amount of time. For this, use the command Caffeinate-T followed by the duration in seconds. For example, if you type 3600, that's equivalent to 1 hour. Then hit Enter. So for the next hour, your Mac will not go into sleep mode. The next use case is preventing sleep until a specific task is finished. For example, with this command, the machine won't sleep until the unzipping process is fully complete. This is super useful for developers or coders. They tend to use this command quite often. And the final command, this is useful when you leave your machine to download files, like torrents or copying a huge amount of data over a long period. You don't need the screen on, but the hard drive must always be active to ensure the download or copy process isn't interrupted. In this case, use the command Caffeinate-M. The letter M here stands for media. Your screen can turn off to save power, but the drive keeps running normally. So, in this video, I've shared some common ways to use the Caffeinate command on macOS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like for the channel. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.